Today we're talking about pieces you should never buy that are designer. Designer pieces you should never buy. I've been on Instagram Reels a lot at night when I'm breastfeeding and rocking a baby, and I see so many influencers with so much designer stuff, and I just can't help but think those are horrible purchases. Granted, I'm pretty sure they're probably getting it free from the brands, and there's no wonder the brands are sending these items because nobody's buying them. I would want you guys to save your money, but I honestly don't think you're really buying these pieces, and if you are, I'm sure you have justified reasons because my viewers are smart. I'm just going to go over what I think is dumb to buy designer, and at the end we can talk a little bit about what I would buy designer. And when I'm talking about designer, I'm talking about like big luxury fashion houses, Gucci, Prada, Balenciaga, you guys get it. First thing are sneakers. These are probably a bit more of a preference, but I think other brands do sneakers so well, like Adidas, Nike, to name the top two. You can get basically the best quality sneaker at a more affordable price from those brands, and they're still insanely trendy, insanely cute, and so many styles that when people are paying an arm and leg for a designer sneaker, it's just kind of like, this is kind of going into my next one, which is dupes. But a lot of the times designer sneakers are copying what Nike and Adidas or other brands already are, and they're just putting their designer logo on it. Dupes are another thing that you should not buy designer. It is crazy to me that these fashion houses will copy a cheap version of something, slap their logo on it, and people will buy the designer version of it. It's not even their design. It's not even unique to the brand. It's literally just a way to sell one more product that they know is cool and trendy and people like. We talk so much about fast fashion brands and cheap brands knocking off clothes, but why do we not talk about these luxury places knocking off clothes? They're not making it accessible to anybody. They're just copying, smacking a fat price tag on it. Okay, next thing I don't think you should buy designer are puffer jackets. Again, this just feels like one where we have North Face, Patagonia, even like Aritzia Super Puff. These companies that have perfected a winter puffer jacket. It's nylon. It's sometimes goose down, or you can find vegan ones. They're all using the same materials. They're all making the same silhouette, but you're paying to have yours say Prada on it. It looks tacky. It looks honestly just embarrassing that you're paying for the name again. If you really want your jacket to say Prada, like go get a patch or something. Get a pin from Prada and pin it over the North Face logo. There's something so much cooler, and I think honestly even more rich, quote unquote, about people who know fashion, who know where to buy certain things, about not getting hiking gear from Gucci, about not getting a running sneaker from Balenciaga, but knowing where to shop for specific pieces. Like, we go to these places for certain things. We don't need, and right around the corner, we don't need Nike making a leather handbag. Stay in your lane, please. Next thing, duh, but basics, especially if they don't even have the logo anywhere. Like, I truly can't understand. It's just you have money to blow. Buying like a white tank top, I can think so clearly of the one that has the little Prada logo that I'm sure I have like somewhere deep on my Pinterest from 2020 for thinking I would get it. But I have to imagine that so many people wearing these basics with just like a little logo of designer brand have to be fake. Like, and I hope they're fake or they were gifts, because it's diabolical. I understand like when you just fall in love, like I think of a white t-shirt. People in a white t-shirt are like people with their coffee. We have a very specific way that we want our coffee, and we don't want to change it up. And if it's a little bit off, we can tell. Maybe your friends can't tell and people on the street can't tell, but you yourself can tell. That's with the white t-shirt. If I'm wearing one of my like backup white t-shirts and you know my best ones aren't readily available, I feel off. I feel icky. And if you fell in love with a designer white t-shirt, I feel so bad for you, but you need to try and find some other ones. Guys, I think Everlane is like one of my favorite white t-shirts. They definitely are, and they just got sold out to Shein. Did that already like go through? Can I stock order my white t-shirts now? Let me know where your favorite white t-shirt is in the comments below, because that's sad. Okay, and then with that, I don't know what designer houses are like making these products out of, but if it was like the most expensive luxurious material, I would get that. But you can get 100% cotton shirts at Hanes for a fraction of the cost. That's like always my go-to, is the Hanes or the Gildane website when I need some basics on the cheap. They're good. Okay, next thing is luggage. I see so many people get designer luggage. First of all, it puts a target on your back, in my opinion. I'm always scared of my luggage getting lost or stolen. I feel like it's just so much more, you're asking for it at something like that. I would like to lay low and be like the least noticed person in the airport. But also, again, there's just other companies that know how to make luggage, know how to make really nice bags. If you're looking for a really nice carry-on bag, Baboon to the Moon has these backpacks. They're so good. My brother stole mine. But designer luggage, it's just, again, for what? To have like the logo all over? I know a lot of people will get like a Louis Vuitton Neverfull and use it as luggage. I don't know why you'd want to be carrying a duffel like that. Like, that's like the most inconvenient bag to carry through the airport, in my opinion. My dad always does a duffel because he literally thinks it's like not manly to roll a suitcase. It's the most inconvenient bag to hold is a duffel. Like, put on a backpack, get a rolling suitcase. I don't need my bag to say Louis Vuitton. I need to be not sweating and stressed out at the airport. Okay, next thing is tech. I recently saw on Facebook Marketplace somebody was selling a Gucci Aura ring and it made me laugh. I do not know how much it originally sold for. It just, I don't understand it. I kind of get the Aura ring, I guess, because it's technically like jewelry and you have to wear it all the time, so maybe you want it to look a little bit nicer. Even like tech as fashion, I feel like I just never really got into, like when people were wearing AirPod Maxes as a fashion statement, or now even with wired headphones and wearing it as a fashion statement. I don't know. I get like wanting your tech to look nice, but if you're paying an arm and a leg extra just for it to have a logo, a designer logo, it seems a little oopid to me. Okay, and the last thing is if you're buying a designer item and it already looks distressed. Everybody knows Golden Gooses are like the #1 that do this, and people get flamed for wearing them. Even like ripped jeans or a distressed t-shirt, we've seen it all from designer brands. It's like the epitome of an oxymoron where you're like cosplaying as a poor person who has distressed clothing. You paid $1,000 for it. It is embarrassing. Do not do it. Wear your clothes. Love your clothes. They will get to that point, I promise you. The amount of jeans that I have that are distressed, mine always rip right down the crotch. Never like a nice little knee rip. It's like they're destroyed. My camera died, which means it's time for me to shut up. But that's it for this video. I wasn't even going to film this. I had a list going in my notes app. And I was like, you know what? Like, let's just film it, talk about it. I'm sure you guys have some funny things to say in the comments, which I always love to read. And that's it for this video. I'm so excited to just start getting into like regularly scheduled content. Hopefully some outfit videos can come soon, but that's up to my body and my closet, I guess. I love you guys absolutely most, and I'll see you in a few days. Bye.